Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can fix the images and how you can display the category. Those are numbers of the category, but I want to display the categories. So I'm gonna teach you how you can display the images and how you can display the category. So first thing, I'm gonna open my code editor and open the edit underscore post.php file. First we need to display the images, right? So I'm going to use if statement and call empty. If the variable like post image is empty, then I'm going to call query select state from post where post id equal to, I'm gonna add this one variable, no, post id, this one variable will get the get variable value from the URL, and I'm gonna use this one variable to get the particular data, but I will use this one query to get the particular image. I'm gonna call result mysql I query pass two parameter connection and query variable, right? Then I'm gonna use while loop and call row mysql I fetch associate as result variable, and I'm gonna get the image from the database. So I will use same variable row and database column name that have an image. The image will be stored inside this one variable, and this one variable will use to update the image. So I'm gonna show you. Let's check it now. And now another thing we need to do, we need to go on below and we need to move the image from database to our local folder. So I'm going to use move upload file, and first parameter you need to use post temp, and second parameter dot \sign images and post image variable. That's it. Let's check it now. Look at that. And I'm gonna change the image and also category. I'm gonna update that, right? Image has been changed and also in category, right? I'm gonna change also second one image like this one, store those images are available, and let's check it now in the database. Those images available on the databases. I'm gonna also again edit to cart, and still image available. I'm gonna open my local computer, upload another image, edit, right? We have fixed the problem to display the images, right? Let's talk about how we can display the images, categories. Readable category, those are numbers, right? But I want to display the category. So you need to go on add post, no, view all post, and this is a variable. So I'm going to separate that, and we need to use what we need to do on here. I will use basic syntax of PHP. Use query select state from categories, right? Where cat id equal to, and I'm gonna get the id from the post database. I'm gonna show you just a minute. I will get the id from this one column, this column available inside post variable, table. So I'm gonna use select state from categories where get id, right? Where get id, I'm gonna use get id row and post get id. This post id will assign inside our get variable. I'm gonna use this one variable on here to get the particular category from the categories table. I'm gonna show you also this one variable, right? I've used query to get the get title from this table with the help of get ID, right? So I used this one query. As you can see, select static from categories where get ID, this is the database column name, table column name, get ID equal to post get ID. This get ID and also category column 1 ID will match, then we will able to display the particular get title. So I'm going to show you also, just a minute. Then I'm going to use data MySQL I fetch not query pass 2 parameters. Then I'm going to use while loop row. I'm going to use value. You can write any name as you like. Fetch underscore associate array and pass the data variable. Inside this loop, I will close the PHP basic syntax and write again basic syntax. Inside this section, I will cut that and paste on here. And I'm going to use value and just our get title variable. So that this one variable, right? So I'm going to refer that. As you can see, web development, right? Let's check to change the category and also something inside our post. So I'm going to change that to draft digital marketing, change the image, like I'm going to change the image like this one to update. As you can see, digital marketing image has been changed, also status changed, right? I'm going to change also next one image like .NET published, right? And I'll leave that and other things, right? I think I'll not change anything else. Change the category again. Belonging, right? And I'm gonna change the image. This one need to update, right? As you can see, published image also has been changed. So I hope you understood as well how you can fix the image problem and how you can display the readable category. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can display the categories. It means drop down menu. User will able to select the category from there and also enter the post title, author and many other things. So I'm going to show you how you can display the category drop down menu inside this section, right? So open the file add_post which available inside admin_includes folder. So I'll leave this one and you need to find the this one farm group and leave that. Write the basic syntax of PHP, right? Inside this section you need to write the query, select static from categories, right? Value, write MySQL I query, pass 2 parameter connection and SQL variable. Then I'm gonna use while loop and use MySQL I fetch associate and pass the variable. Use this duplicate and close the PHP basic syntax. Write again PHP basic syntax. Inside this section, this one section, you need to write the drop down menu. Before starting this one PHP syntax, you need to write select statement and assign the select name. I'm going to use get name, and I'm going to cut that and close the after closing PHP syntax, right? Inside this section, you need to write option and inside this section you need to get the data from database. Get ID, row, cat ID. This is the category table column name, and cat title. This is also category table column name. Cat title. I'm going to show you just a minute. Categories, cat ID, cat title. You need to get the data from this one table, right? And once the data will get and assign the variables, then you need to use those variables inside the option bar. So inside value section, you need to write basic syntax of PHP and write echo statement and call get ID variable. And inside the option, you need to write basic syntax of PHP. Write echo $row, not row, cat title. Cat title will display inside our drop down menu, and cat ID will get the particular ID. And you need to copy this one name, go to above and paste on here. Set that. Let's check it now. It's working or not, as you can see. But we need to use bootstrap class inside the form. Select statement. So I use form control, right? So after that, right, as you can see. Let's check it now, it's working or not. So I'm gonna use CSS3 for beginners, and I'm gonna select the category web design. This is number 2. Admin, draft. I'm gonna select the image. CSS, I think I have a CSS file. CSS image, this one, right? I'm gonna use CSS3 tutorial for beginners, right? We are learning CSS3 for beginners with projects. I'm gonna click to add post. Got it been saved. Let's check it now. Inside our database, I'm gonna select post. As you can see, number 2 category, and this is our title, and I'm gonna check that. Right, as you can see, admin, CSS3 for beginners, web designing, dropped, and our image, comment, the default comments, and the date. Right, I'm gonna click edit. I can do that, right? So in this video we have learned how we can display the select option bar, display the particular category, and how you can save the category inside our database. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can search the post with the help of categories. Means user will click on the web development, then user will able to see web development posts inside our page. User will click on the web designing, then user will able to see web designing post, right? But before we do that, we need to set up this one line, right? I'm going to click on that. that, and this is the dim link, so I need to set up that. So I go to code editor and I'm gonna open nav, and where is that? This one. I'm gonna use index.php. So I fed that, I'm gonna click on that, same page, right? Now the next thing we need to work on the categories. So go to sidebar.php, which is available inside include folder, and this is a li, a closing li, and this is a ref, and this is a get title, right? Inside this section you need to create a page. Write the page name. I'm going to use category.php. I will create this one file inside my root folder, right? So I'm going to create category.php. This is the empty. Now the next thing, we need to pass the parameter. Inside this page we need to pass the parameter. So I'm going to call question mark category. This is the get variable, right? Assign the value row get id. This is the database column name. You can also use this way. I'm going to paste that get id, and this is the get id database column name. Inside this section you just write $get id, right? So that this is a while loop, and each time have a link will be created categories.php page, and also get variable. Inside get variable we will get the particular post id. So I will set that and then look at that, click on that, just a minute. As you can see guys, categories.php, and this is the get variable, this is the id of the category. I'm gonna open second one. As you can see, I'm gonna open last one, right? Those are category IDs, right? Now the next thing, we need to work on this one post, this one page. Inside this page we just need to go on index.php page, copy the all code, paste here, and we just need to use if statement inside this section, right? If is set get category, this is a get category variable, right? Is active, then I'm gonna get the id from the get variable. Once we get the id and assign the id inside our variable, then you need to copy that and use on here. Use where get not post get id equal to this one, right? That's it. First I'm going to show you, this is a database column name which have a categories id. So just a minute, it takes time to load that. I think I need to check that post get id, why everything is clear. So I'm gonna open CMS and I'm gonna open post, and I'm gonna show you this one, right? Post get id means the get variable value, means get variable id will match with our post get id, then display the particular post on the page, right? So I'm gonna save that and refresh the page. for that, and I'm going to click on web development. As you can see, this is our category.php page, and this is the category get variable, and this is the ID. I'm going to click on second one. As you can see, the web designing category posts have been appeared. Right, I'm going to click on the third one, only one. I'm going to click on the last one, second was blogging one, source code doesn't appear. So this is a working process to search the post with the help of categories. I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can display the particular post. It means user will click on the particular post title, then user will able to see particular post complete detail, right? So first I'm gonna show you the page name, post.php. Inside post.php have a simple image, content and comment section, right? And also copyright. So first thing we need to set up that. So I'm gonna open post.php page. Now we need to remove those divs right there. Verify that. Okay, perfect. As you can see, click on the first page and I go to below, right? So post.php. Now the second thing you need to do is you need to copy this one comment section code. I go to above and this is the comment section. I copy, cut this code, right? This is a closing div of the column, this one, right? Don't cut that, and create a notepad file and paste on here the complete comment code, right? Now the next thing, you need to go on index.php page and you need to get the ID from the I'm gonna use equal sign and I'm gonna use post ID, and you need to assign this one ID inside this one page. This is the post title and you need to assign the page name. The page name is post.php, this one page name, and you need to get the variable. Create a get variable and assign the ID equal and this variable. It means that each time loop working and assigning the IDs inside p_id variable. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on that. As you can see, this is the post.php page, this is our get variable, this is the post ID. I'm going to click on the second one. Just a minute, second one, as you can see, right? Now the next thing, you need to display the dynamically data inside this page, right? So you need to copy the index.php code and paste on here. Paste, remove that and paste here, right? Now the next thing, you need to get the data from the get variable. So I'm going to use if set. This is a post.php page, remember that. Post, not post, get. Get, which get variable? p_id get variable is active. Then I'm going to get the ID, post ID, and I'm going to use, right? Inside the query section, you just need to use where post get ID, right, equal to this post variable. This post get variable ID, column have inside the post table. As you can see, post and post get ID. For that, and click on that. Okay, I think I need to use post ID. I just checked that, just a minute. Post ID. Right, as you can see, this is my mistake. And click on that. Right, but I want to display the comment, right? So cut that and open post.php page, and after this loop section, paste the comment section, save, and after that, right, this is our comment section. Perfect. And click on the next one, right, and everything is okay here, right? So user will able to see the particular post complete detail with the help of title, right? User will click on the title, then we will able to see the complete detail, right? So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach with you comment. How you can use comment to display the complete comments inside your admin panel, how you can create a table, how you can create a columns. So first I'm going to open the post programming. Inside this post have a comment, right, this one, and those are basically comments. So I'm going to use the PHP feature that will help you to get the comment inside our admin panel, and we will able to perform the operation like edit, approve, unapprove, and many other things. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's get started. So first thing, you need to open the database, and inside the CMS have two tables. So I'm going to create a table like comments. Write the number of columns 7 and click to go. And first column will be comment ID, comment underscore post ID. This is a related post, I mean relation post, right? Comment author, comment email, comment content, comment status, and last one will be comment date. So last one will be data type date, and status will be virtual. I'm going to use 255 characters. Email comment content will be text. Comment author will be virtual. Email will be virtual. 255 character, 255 character, right? And the first one column will be auto increment. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, and this is our column, right? So I'm going to click to save, and once we created the table with the name of comments, then we will able to store the record. So I'm going to use simple insert query. This is the design pattern. I'm going to use the design pattern to insert manually records. So I'm going to use 5 and OnlineITtuts, @OnlineITtuts. This is my first comment on my first CMS system in PHP, right? And comment status, I'm gonna use what? I'm gonna use root, and last one column will be date. So I'm gonna use date. Click to go, and let's check it now in the SQL structure. and where it is commentable, right? This is our record. Comment ID, comment post ID, comment author, comment email, comment content, comment status, and comment date. So you need to go on the code editor, and this is the update. So I'll leave this time because I want to work on that. Okay, so this is a post.php page. So I go to below, and where is, I go to admin panel, post.php, right? Yes, I'm gonna copy this one, post.php page, which is available inside our admin panel. I'm gonna copy that complete detail and create a file inside admin panel, comments.php, and paste on here. Let's save that. Now the next thing, we need to set up that, and the default will be view all comments. I will be clear this one, view all comments.php, and this is working similar like post.php page, right? And I'm gonna leave the other things, and I need to go on CMS admin panel. We need to display the detail on here, admin bootstrap dot this one page. We need to go on includes, and this is this one. So I'm going to use dot backslash sign, and what, comments.php. So save that, and let's check it now. And I'm going to open that. Okay, line number 31, view all post. So we need to also create a view all post page, view all comments, right? Okay, so we need to create a file, view underscore all comments.php. Inside this file we need to copy the complete code, view all post, and go to view all comments and paste on here, right? And let's check now it's working or not. Yes, it's working. This is a similar like a post or table, but we will manage that to display our comment details. So I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can display the comment on the page. So first thing, you need to remove the other tabs and just open the view all comments.php page, which is available inside our includes folder, as you can see, right? And I'm going to also leave that. So this is our view underscore all underscore comments.php page. So first thing, you need to remove or change the heading title, those things, right? So first thing, I'm going to change that ID, author, and third one will be email, status, in response to, leave the image to that, approve and prove, and also we need to use content, use comment, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? And 10 will be operation, right? So this is our query. So inside our query we need to use select static from, the table name is comments, and I'm going to change that to SQL, and this one will be comments, and I'm going to change that to comment and SQL. Copy that and paste on here, save that, and leave this one. This time I don't need that. And inside that we need to go on our database, and we need to get the data from database and display the data on the page, right? So comment ID, so I'm going to display comment ID. Next one will be comment author, so I'm going to change that to display the comment author. And comment content, right? And I'm gonna this one, this is the outside of this one, I'll leave that. I'm gonna comment that. This one will be right. What's this? Okay, I did leave that, and I just use this one because I want to display the comment only this time, right? And also I'll leave this one also. And this is a comment ID, comment author, comment content, comment email. I don't need to display the image, right? And I'm going to use text wrapper to display the complete code inside our page. Comment ID, comment author, comment content, comment email, comment status. Those are database column names, right? And that, comment that, and this post I'm gonna leave this one because I will create I'll leave this one, right? This one, and also I'm gonna leave this one. Right, save that, and I think it should be display the comments. So I think it should be displayed. So let's check it now. Right, ID, author, and comment, email status. This is the response to. I'm going to display the date. Okay, I will manage that, and this is the date, approve and approve. Okay, so what I need to do on here. So first I'm gonna use approve. First I'm gonna check that status approved, response to date. So just a minute, I'll leave that, and I'm gonna cut that and paste after that, and I'm gonna create a link, td anchor link, just a minute, anchor link, dim link, and approve, copy paste, this is a call and approve, right, and this is delete. So I'm gonna remove this one, td, right? I don't need to edit the comment. Right, response to approve and approve, and response to approve, and operation will be displayed on the last one. So I will manage that and perform another operation like approve, unapprove, and delete this comment. So this time I'm going to show you just how you can display the comment on the admin panel. In the next video I'm going to teach you how you can manage the comment. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed all about how we can display the database comments on your admin panel. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can manage that and how you can manage also comments form. So first I'm going to show you the comment form, and I'm going to open post. First we need to set up this one table, then we will make a form inside our leave comment section, and then we will get the data from form and store the comment inside our database, right? So first I'm going to open my code editor, and this is the view underscore all underscore comments .php page, and we are able to see all the fields available on helper. This is the response to approve. I'm gonna manage them. So I go to my code editor, and what status a response to, I'm gonna use td and I'm gonna use something, right? This is a Dimitrex. So, and let's check it now this time. Right, response to something, and we need to rearrange the date and also operations. So I'm gonna cut that and approve, right? This is the date, this is the operation. So let's create a form. So the next thing, you need to go on your file. Which file? Post.php, right? Which is available inside our main folder, right? I'm gonna close commands, and first not this one, post.php. Yes, open this one file. This file is available inside our main directory, right? This is the main directory, CMS. Inside CMS I have a post.php. Open this one file, and you need to use this one, comment form, right? And this is the form, so you need to use action, leave that, and use method post form group text area. I'm gonna copy that, paste here, and this will be not text area. I'm gonna remove that. I'll use input text field, name author, placeholder author. I'm gonna copy this one, paste here, and second one will be email, and name will be email. We need to also use class form control. So I'm gonna copy this one, code, and paste on here. Save that and let's check it now. Author, so email, right, and refer that, right, and we need to use comment where this one and this placeholder, but I'm gonna use label tag. Author, copy that, email, and this will be comment. Save and let's see it now. Right, author, email, comment. Right, now the next thing we need to assign the name inside the button text. So I'm gonna use btn submit. Right, I'll leave this one tab, and this is inside this section, right, this is a PHP tag. I'm gonna use, if we say $post, and when user click on the button submit, then he will redirect on this statement, body statement, if body statement. Inside this statement, I'm gonna get the data from form. So first is author, post. I'm gonna copy this one line, paste on here, and email, let's go post, email, right. Third one will be comment, right. I don't enter the name, I mean it's comment inside our text area, right. Save that and this comment. I'm going to use the echo statement and check the everything is working or not. Comment. So save that and let's check now it's working or not. I'm going to use admin at OnlineITtuts.com. This is my first comment. Hit enter, and as you can see, admin @OnlineITtuts, and this is my first comment. So we have successfully received the data from the database, form, and we are able to see the data has been appeared on the page. So the next thing, we need to store the record inside our database. So let's write the query, but before writing the query we need to get the ID. So I'm going to show you the ID, what this means. This one ID, we need to get this one ID. This is a post ID, right? So I'm now open localhost php myadmin, and we need to get the ID. I'm going to show you the ID where it is, this one, right? So I'm going to copy this one complete line and paste on here. This is a get variable, and this is a get basically variable, and this variable value will be stored inside our this one variable, right? So I'm going to use query is insert into comment. I'm going to show you the comment or comments. So I'm going to open CMS comments. So I'm going to use comments. You need to assign the value, right? The first column post comment ID, and second one comment post ID, right? So post comment ID, comma, and next one comment author, comma, comment email, comma, comment content, I'm going to use word rep, right? Comment content, and now the next one will be comment status, and last one will be comment that. Right, those are our database column names. So values, I'm going to use single quotation. The post ID will be this one variable, comma, right? And post author, I'm going to use single quotation. The variable, comma, email, and comment variable, right? I have assigned the value arrange wise, right? This is a post comment ID, so I have assigned the value post ID. The second one will be comment author, comment email, comment content, and now the next one will be status. So I'm going to use static data truth, and last column will be, I'm going to use now date function. This is our query. Then I'm going to use data MySQL query, pass to parameter connection and SQL variable, right? If everything is clear, then I want to display the message. They close. I'm gonna try that using strict classes. Alert success. Your comment submitted. Right. Otherwise, I want to display the message. Alert danger. Something wrong. So I think it should be work fine. So I think it will run this. I'm gonna use admin @onlineITtuts.com. Content, this is my first comment. Now hit enter. Something went wrong, so I think something is wrong. Right, so I think I need to check the query. Insert into comments, post ID, first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, right? Values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything is clear. The email comment proof I'm gonna use single quotation, I think. Let's try it again. Admin attitudes on just comment something wrong where it is. Okay, I remove this single quotation, just assign the commas. Let's check it now. What this? After that, OnlineITtuts.com. This is my first comment. Okay. Just a minute, guys. I rearrange them again. Make a separate name. This is my mistake, and I think this is a query mistake. So I think I need to check that. Space, and also I'll leave the last one. Let's check it now this time. Admin online attitudes. This is my first comment. Hit enter. Oops. I need to open my code editor, and then we need to check that. I need to check the my database column names, comment post ID. Okay, here is the problem, guys. Comment post underscore ID. This is the first column name. Comment author, comment email, comment content, comment status. I think it should be work. Admin @onlineITtuts.com. something, use something, because I need to check. Yes, it's working. As you can see, your comment has been submitted. Let's check it now. Right, as you can see, the number second, post comment ID 9, email, comment author, email, and everything. Right, so I will use again another comment with another post. This one, this is the post ID number 10, right? I'm gonna use John at gmail.com. I like the tutorial. Thank you for creating this topic. So I think this video is long, right? Let me show you. Right, as you can see, post comment 10, ID 10, right? I hope you understood as well all about how you can create a form, how you can get the data from the form, how you can insert the record inside the database. I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can use response to feature. It means I will click on that we will able to see the particular comment inside our particular post, right? So first thing, you need to open the file view_all_comments. This file available inside our admin_includes folder, right? So leave that, and this is our working code, right? So I'll leave that, and I'm going to use query. First we need to get the ID from the comments table. I'm going to show you. First we need to get the ID from this column with the help of database, right? This ID. So I'm going to use row not comment post ID. This is a variable row and the column name post comment ID. Post comment ID. This ID will help you to get the particular post from the database, right? I mean comment. We will use this one variable to write the query. The query is, I'm going to use basic syntax of PHP. The query is select static from post, right? Where post ID, I'm going to show you. This is a post table. Where it is, this one. Post ID equal to the comment post ID, this one column will match. So I'm going to use this one variable, right? This means the post variable, I mean post column ID will match our comment ID variable. Then use result MySQL query connection and query variable, right? Then I'm going to use while loop value. This is a value variable, right? MySQL fetch associate and pass result variable. Inside this statement, I'm going to get the post ID from the database. Post ID, post title, value, post title. I'm going to show you those values. We have received the data post ID and post title from this one table, and we have assigned the data inside our post variable and post title variable. Now the next thing we need to write, close PHP, write PHP again. Inside this section, this one section, cut that and paste on here, and remove this one. Write anchor tag and use // post.php. We need to rewrite the user on the main page, this one page, right? This one file. So you need to write dot means 2 times out of this folder. This file is available where it is here. Let me show you here. So dot means outside of this file, this folder. Dot means outside of this one folder and the file name, right? Post.php file, and then we need to create a get variable, PID same get variable, and assign the value by basic syntax of PHP and use echo post ID variable, this one variable, right? Means this get variable value will match our post ID variable. Then redirect on this page. I'm going to show you just a minute. Inside this one anchor tag, I'm going to use this one variable. First write the basic syntax of PHP use echo, and this one let's save that. Let's check it now. Post comment undefined 24. Yes, it's 24. This one, post comment ID. Just a minute. Comments, comment post ID, comment post ID. Right, I think it should be work. Yes, it's working. As you can see, this is a programming title, and this is the digital marketing. That those are basically post. Inside have a post comment. So I'm going to click on the programming. This is a post.php page, and this is our get variable. This is the ID. Inside this page have a comment, right? We have submitted the comment inside our this page, and also we have submitted the comment inside our digital marketing post, right? I'm going to show you those are those database posts have been appeared with the help of post ID, right? So I hope you understood as well how you can use the query and how you can display the particular comment inside our particular post. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can delete the comment from the database and also admin panel, right? So we have made the link, as you can see, and inside the link have a get variable with the name of del. I'm going to show you. Go to view_all_comments.php file. Inside this file have this one td post.php del and something. If trash means delete the icon. This been appeared with the help of font away icon, right? Now let's talk about how we can delete the record. So we have assigned the get variable inside this one link. We will use this one variable to get the ID from the URL, and once we get the URL, then we will use that to delete the record, right? So first thing, we need to change the name. So I'm gonna use the comments.php, this one file. So I need to use just comments.php file, right? This one file, and make a get variable like del. Inside the del variable I need to use echo statement and call echo. Go to above, and you need to basically I have already got the ID from the database and assign the ID inside our variable. This is a comment ID. I'm going to show you this one ID, this one variable, right? So I have used this one variable to assign the ID inside comment underscore ID variable. So I'm going to copy that and go to below, and you need to use echo statement and pass the comment ID variable. This comment ID variable will assign inside the del variable. I'm going to show you just a minute. I refresh that and I hover the mouse. As you can see guys, but I need to assign this one variable, comment post ID. This is related with our table, post table. So I'm going to paste that and refresh that. So this comment ID will match. I'm going to show you just a minute. This comment ID, right, will match with our this one ID, right? Post, not this one. Just a minute, I'm going to show you. Where post comment ID post ID. I'm going to show you just a minute. This one post comment post ID comment will match with our post this one ID, right? Means I'm going to show you the practically, just a minute. This is our post. I'm going to click on that. This is a post get variable and this is the ID of this post variable. I used this one statement. This one statement means this post variable ID will match with our comment variable ID. Then we will able to delete the particular comment, right? So I hover the mouse in the left side, you will able to see localhost cms admin comments.php and question mark del equal to 10. This is the digital marketing post. The digital marketing post have a ID 10, and I hover the mouse, you will be able to see del equal to 10 means the post and comment ID will match, right? So the same here. The next one post have a post 11, JavaScript 11. As you can see, I hover the mouse on the second comment, then you will be able to see del equal to 11. So I'm going to use this one variable to perform the operation like delete the record. After the split get, I'm going to use if set $get del means that del get variable is active. Then I want to get the ID from get variable, this one variable, right? Then I'm going to use query. The query is delete from comments where comment underscore ID equal to what? Not this one. I want to use, go to a bow and use this one variable, right? And copy that. Not this one, I think this one. Comment post ID, right? And I copy that and paste on here. Right, this is a comment post ID. This comment post ID you will get from the comments table. I'm going to show you comments table. This one comment post ID will match our post variable, post ID. Then I'm going to use query and use MySQL query, pass to perimeter connection and secure comment. If everything is clear, then I want to call comment query variable and redirect the user with header location comment PHP page. Right? So if everything is clear, then we will able to see the record will be deleted and we will be redirect with the same page like comments.php. So let's check it now, it's working or not. And click on that. Nothing happened, but I need to check that. Okay, I think I need to delete from comments where comment ID equal to this one value. So I think I refresh that and I'll try that. Yes, it's working. Refresh that. As you can see, the record has been deleted from the admin panel and also our database. You just need to use the statement where just a minute, this one variable, copy that and paste. You will get the ID from the get variable and assign the ID inside our comment ID variable, and just to use comment variable on here inside the query, right? So I hope you understood as well how you can delete the comment from the database and how you can display the how you can perform this operation. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed all about how we can perform the operation like delete the record. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can perform another operation like approve or unapprove. If I want to click on approve, then I want to display the approved status on it. Otherwise I want to display the unapproved text on it, right? So first I'm gonna write the comment. I'm gonna write comment, more than 2 comments, right? Digital marketing, JavaScript, developer, web developer, gmail.com, right, after that, right, we have 2 comments, so let's work on that. So I go to my view_all_comments.php file, and inside this file have 2 links, as you can see, td. Inside td have a link like demo link and approve and approve. I'll do that, right? So first thing, you need to assign the link. I'm gonna assign the link comments.php, and we need to also create a get variable. This get variable value name is approve, and assign the value comment id, this one id, right? Copy that and use echo statement, paste it. Now use same thing on the next one, unapproved link comments.php, but we need to create another get variable unapprove and assign the same value, echo comment id, right? The comment id will display the particular comment id, and assign the id inside the variables, get variables approve and unapprove. So first I'm going to show you, refresh that. This is a post id number 4, and you will able to see on here. I hover the mouse, approve. This is I'm going to click on that. I'm going to show you just a minute. Comments.php, this is a get variable, and this is the id, same id that have inside our post, right? And I'm going to click on approve, and this is a get variable, and this is the id. This id is the same with our post variable, post table. So we need to work on that to perform the operation like approve or unapprove. So I go to my code editor and I go to below, and this is a delete the comment, right? For this I'm going to use approve. So I use if set $get what get. If the get variable like approve is active, then I want to update the comment status. I'm going to show you where. and this one is status. This is the default have approved, but I want to I mean the get variable approve is approved. Then I want to update that SQL comment. This is a query. The query is update comments, update table comments. This is a site comment status equal to approve, where comment underscore id. This one id will match with our get variable. So I'm going to use comment cmt id, and we need to get the id from approve get variable, right? This one variable will assign the value inside our this one variable. We will use this one variable inside our query to update the particular comment, right? Then use SQL result query con and SQL comment, right? Now we use same thing, copy that, but I also use if SQL result is active, means perfect, then I want to redirect the user location comments.php. We use same thing to perform the another operation like an approve. We just need to change couple of things like an approve get variable. This one, copy that and paste on here. And we need to also change the status unapproved. That's it. I think it should be work. Just I'm gonna click on comments and click to unapprove. It doesn't work. I click on this. This is basically my mistake, I think. Unapprove, right? Approve. Just a minute, guys. I check that. I check the query. Just a minute. I go to structure. I go to SQL and update table. I don't need to write the table like this one. I think it should be work. This is my query mistake. So I go to comments.php and I want to, this is approved, those are approved. I'm gonna click on unapprove. As you can see, guys, I'm gonna click on unapprove. Both are unapproved. I'm gonna check the table. As you can see, comment status unapproved. I'm gonna click on approve. As you can see, right? So this is a working process to perform the operation like approve and unapprove. And the next video I'm going to teach with you how you can display the approve comments. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can display the approved comment inside the post. So those are default comments and those are static comments. So first thing we need to set up them. I want to remove those comments like this one and this one. I leave the first one because I will update that to display the dynamically comment. So first thing, you need to open your code editor and open the post.php file, right? This one, post.php file. And now the first thing, you need to go on Approve and This is the comment form and this is the first comment, right? Now after this comment, I want to remove this one comment and delete that, save that and refresh the page. Right, so we will update that to display the dynamically comment, right? So I go to my code editor, and now after this one, yes, this is the comment form. So I'm going to use basic syntax of PHP and I use query comment query. The query is select static from comments where I need to check that the post comment ID, localhost php myadmin, and just a minute, I also open admin panel and where comments. So first we need to wait a couple of seconds. I'm gonna open CMS, and now the next we need to check the column name, right? Just a minute. Yes, just a minute. Comments, open this one table. Inside this table we will target this one column, right? So I go to my code editor and use comment underscore post underscore id equal to, and we need to go on above and we need to use this one variable, right? This one variable, this is a get variable. This post id will match with our comment post column id. Then and I'm gonna also use and status and just a minute, I need to check the column name and comment status, this one column comment underscore status equal to approve. I check that this is approve. Okay, I use approve, right? Basically then and I want to also display the comment on the top, so I'm going to use order by comment id. This is a column name, comment id, right? Descending, DESC, right? So this is our query, so I use WordPress. Then we need to use comment result, use MySQL query, pass to parameter connection and comment query variable. Then I use while loop, I'm gonna use comment result. No, I'm gonna use, just a minute guys, data equal to MySQL underscore fetch associate and pass, use this curly bracket and get the data from database. So I'm gonna use comment title equal to data, and I'm gonna get comment title data from the database. Comment content, what we need to display on there, just a minute, I check that. Comment, just a minute, comment author, right? So first we need to get the comment author comment content equal to data comment content comment date data, and we need to get the date comment that this one column. So is comment underscore date, right? So author, date and content, right? So we will display those data inside our comment section. So this is an image. I'll leave this one image, right? And this is a body, this is a date. So inside this one heading, H4 heading, start bootstrap. First I'm gonna leave that and start bootstrap. So I'm gonna use basic syntax of PHP and display the comment author, right? Author, copy and use request statement, paste here. Inside this one small statement, I'm going to display echo comment date. I've assigned the date, so I need to change that, right? And this one section I need to display echo comment content, right? This is the author, and also I rearrange that. This is my working process. So save that and refresh the page. As you can see, admin, date and our content, right? Now let's write another comment. For example, I'm going to use Android developer, Android developer gmail.com something submitted. So let's check it now, and this is our comments. Android developer something, but this comment doesn't appear on here. Why? Because we need to, as you can see, so we need to approve that. So I'm going to click approve, right? So let's check it now, it's display or not. It doesn't appear. Why? Because we need to use this one this way. Cut that, close the PHP and write the PHP on here, close the PHP and let's break it also. I think it should be displayed. Yes, as you can see, Android developer something. So this is working process to display the approve command on the inside the comment inside the post. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can display the dynamically comments inside the admin panel. Those are static data. As you can see, 444 on each post. I have 4 static numbers, static data, right? But I will display the dynamically data on this section, right? So first thing I'm going to show you, I go to my database and this is a post table. Inside post table have this one column, post comment count. Those are default statics numbers, but I want to display the dynamically numbers. Means and when a user will enter the comment inside the post, then the number will be appeared inside our database, right? So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So first I'm going to edit that. This is the digital marketing, and inside digital marketing first I'm gonna leave that, right? I'm gonna use where post comment count. I'm gonna use 0. This is my default value, right? Now the next thing, you need to go on the post.php file, which available inside the main folder, right? Now go to Uppo, and now the first thing you need to go on includes where admin, and admin includes, and not here, add post, right? This one, open this one file, and now this is the static data, right? I also use where I use toggle prep. So first thing, you need to remove that from there, and also you need to remove this one column to store the record inside the database, store the basically a post, and also you need to remove the where it is post tags, post comment, this one from there, right? Now the next thing you need to write, this is if, go to post.php file, right? This is this file, right, which are available inside our main folder, right? Main folder, and inside this file have a post, right? This one while loop, and this is a particular post, right? Now the next thing, you need to go on below, not below, but check that where I use query. Just a minute. Record has been saved, and I'll leave that. And this, what is this? And this is a post, right? And this is our form. I think I need to go on post.php file, and this is a while loop, get id, right? Then while loop, right? And now the next thing, we need to display the post, right? But I will use, just a minute, I checked it, guys. This is alright, so just a minute, guys, I checked that where I will use query. Just a minute, guys. Fetch data, BDN submit, and right, I will write the query on here, So first thing, I'm going to use update comment count, right? This is my variable. So first thing, you need to write the query which used to update the comment count number. So I'm going to use update comments, and then I need to go on my database and comments, and we need to target this one column, not this one, where it is. We need to go on post this one column, right? We need to use post update post set and post comment count post underscore comment count equal to post comment count increment 1 where post underscore id equal to, and I need to go on above. We need to get the id from the get variable. I'm going to show you this one. Copy that and go to below and paste on it, right? I think this is the work query update post, and this is the post table, right? Inside the post table I have a column which name post comment counts equal to the same column name and increment 1 value where post id equal to post id variable. Then I'm going to use MySQL I query pass to primary connection and update comment count variable. That's it, and we need to check that. So I need to go on my site and first I'm going to refresh that. Default value is 0, right? I open first one post and I'm going to use admin at OnlineITtuts.com something, hit enter, right? As you can see, right? Let's check it now in the database, right? Inside this comment have 2 numbers, but I will also just a minute, I'll check that with another JavaScript. I will publish comment developer dev@gmail.com. This is JavaScript post, and refresh the post 6, but why I increment to number? Just a minute, I need to make a space between them and 7 and 3 6, right? So I write again another post, another comment, right? So I will use comment digital marketer turn@gmail.com and digital marketer, hit enter. Okay, something wrong. Digital marketer@gmail.com. I am a digital marketer. Why? Digital marketer@gmail.com. I am a digital marketer. Hit enter. What happened on here, guys? Just a minute. That one post. John gmail.com. Hi, I am John. I've seen this one problem on here. John just a minute, undo John gmail.com. This is a comment for John. yes, your comment has been submitted, and the default CS is supposed to have a 4, right? So I'm gonna refresh that. 8. What happened? I tried many times, right? So I think 3, 11 and 8. Let's check it now one time more. Digital marketing number 3. Suzy@gmail.com. Hi, I am Suzy from say, right? And refresh that. 5, 2 times increment, but why this is right? And why I don't know. Post update post, I need to check that why this is a problem has been appear. Post ID, right? Update post set, post comment count equal to post comment count plus 1 where post ID. Guys, I think something is wrong, but why? Five comments, developer John Doe. Fine, let's write another comment. Thomas@gmail.com. Thomas. First refresh that. 6, as you can see, guys. This is my mistake. I have tried many times to write the comment and store the comment inside the database. So I think it should be displayed on here. Where? This one. 6, right? Let's check it now. How many comments here? Thomas, Suzy, and many comments available. I'm gonna approve all of the comments. Then you will be able to see approve. All comments approved. So let's check it now. How many comments available inside the digital marketing post? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And we have seen the 7 value, right, inside the digital marketing. 7, right? So this is a working process. I know this video is too long. I have made many mistakes inside this video. So you need to use this one query to update the comment count column. Each time user will store the record, store the post, and you can't store the comment number, but anyone user will write the comment. As you can see, this is the comment query. Select state from comment, post ID, and this is a comment status page. Anytime user will store the comment, then the comment has been appeared on here. Then use this query to get the data from database and display the data on the comment area. And also you are able to see the, if everything is not clear, then the update the basically comment count, right? You can also, I think it should be work fine. So in the next video I'm going to teach you another thing. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can display the published post inside the website. If the post status is a draft, then I want to hide the post, or I want to display only published post inside my website. I'm going to show you. I go to my localhost PHP admin, and the post status is a draft. I want to display only published post inside my website. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. But before working on post, I'm going to show you the problem is in comment count section is you need to cut that and go to above and paste on here. This is the insert query, insert comment inside the comment table, and if else statement. This is the update query. This query will help you to increment one-time value. I'm going to show you how many comments available inside digital marketing 12. I'm going to open that and I'm going to use something at gmail.com, something, right? Hit enter. 12, as you can see, 13, right? Now let's talk about how you can display the published post. So I go to my code editor, remove the post.php file, I will close that and open the index.php file and hide that. Go to above. Basically I have already received the data from database, a post status inside my variable, this one variable. You need to get the data from our database. This is the database column name, post status. Get the data and assign the data inside the variable, right? Now the next thing you need to write the query is a where post status equal to published. This is my query and I'm gonna refresh the page. I'm gonna open my main website. You can't see anything else. Why? Because the all posts have a draft. Now I want to display the published post, right? So I'm gonna edit that, any post published, right? And edit, refresh the page, right? As you can see. Now one more thing I'm going to show you. I edit that and I use draft, edit, refresh that. You can't see anything else inside the page, but I want to display the message record not found or post not found on here. So how you can do that? I'm going to show you very simple method. So first thing, you need to make a variable, post status, same variable, and assign the value null. Make a same variable like this one on here and assign the value null, right? Copy that, go to below. This is the while loop script bracket. After this script bracket, you need to write if this one post status variable not equal to published, then comment the if body call div close and alert class alert success not danger post not found, right? Save. Let's check it now. As you can see, I publish the post, edit, refresh. As you can see, everything is perfect. I publish again another post, published, and refresh that, right? The next one post, and all the informations available inside our database. As you can see, published, and also publish another post. This one is published, right? Right guys, so this video is all about how you can display the published post, and this is my mistake to inside comment section to waste your many time to perform this one operation. So I'm very sorry for that. So I hope you understood as well how you can display the published post inside your web page. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.